let me go there. Oh, Evie, where are you? Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Ivy and welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to create a little shop in the Illustrator. So let's get a start and make it. Very well, first up, you have to make the walls of the shop. Oh, Evie, look, the color of the walls is like the color of my hair. Wow, let's go make the roof of the shop. It is easy to make. And to make it more beautiful, you should use other colors, for example, blue and one tick. To make our design look more realistic, first up, you should choose a color for the wall, for example, blue or yellow. We choose pink, and you should darken the same color in the some parts. To add glass to our shop. Well done, Evie. It doesn't need anything special and it's glass, yeah. Eileen, what are you doing? Come here. It's time to add something new. Oh, yes, you are right. Well, to make the door, you have to draw its shape with the pencil, and then choose a color for it. In this part, you design with the pencil and make a shape like this. We need to complete the design of the shop. In this part, we are going to make a staircase. Like the previous parts, we will make it in 3D using the pencil. Don't forget to color it differently from the other parts. Here, we will also make a sign that we can write something on it. For example, a greeting or the name of the shop that I decided to write welcome. This is from another small roof we are making in red, and Evie also standing under it. And if you like, you can add an extra column. And now we want to put a dark blue background and put a moon. Well, this video is over. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you have any idea or questions, ask in the comments. Goodbye until the next video.